Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I am at Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, and like every year I'm going to show you some amazing bird species that you will find at Bhigwan. So let's get started.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
So guys, I hope you liked the bird species and information I showed you in the video and also my photos. In case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Bhigwan vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.